After you have solved a mathematics problem, do you ask, is that answer really correct? Do you check? Do you know how to check? This video will demonstrate. First, we solve this problem. Figure 1 shows a trapezium which has a perimeter of 96 cm. Perimeter refers to the total length of the outer edges. This plus this plus this plus this. Jia joins three such trapeziums to form figure 2, which has a perimeter of 204 cm. Three trapeziums combined to form figure 2. Find the length of PQ, or the height of the trapezium. Total perimeter of three trapeziums will be 96 times 3 equal 288. So, why is it that the perimeter of figure 2 is only 204, not 288? Because we have three trapeziums. The reason is perimeter refers only to the outer edges. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. We do not include those lines that are inside the figure. Let's take a closer look. This line is PQ, and by splitting them in this way, the green lines on the left comes from this trapezium. The green line on the right comes from this trapezium. So when we combine, we actually lost two lines because they are inside the figure. Same thing here. We can split them into two green lines. Again, we lost two more lines. And in fact, the length of this line is actually PQ. So there are four green lines that are lost when we combine the three trapeziums. So 288 minus 204 equal 84. 84 is the total length of the four green lines, which happen to be PQ. So length of PQ equal 84 cm divided by 4 equal 21 cm. And we have our first answer. Part B. Jia joins another four such trapeziums to form figure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, which has an area of 1932 cm squared. Find the length of RS. RS is here. How do we solve this problem? Well, we have already found 21 cm. We can write it here. This is 21. Is there another 21 somewhere? This one, the height of this trapezium. Next, the area of figure 3 is 1932 cm squared, which is the total area of two identical rectangles. So the area of one rectangle is 1932 divided by 2 equal 966. Let's look at this rectangle. The area is 966. We know the base. We can find the height. 966 divided by 21 equal 46. So this is 46, the whole thing. So we can find this short length, which happens to be the same as RS. (46 cm minus 21 cm minus 12 cm equal 13 cm. And we have our second answer. Let's check whether our two answers are correct. Whenever we are given diagrams in a question, sometimes we can make use of them. Our checking strategy is to start with our answers and move towards a target. I've chosen 204 cm as a target. 204 cm is the parameter of figure 2. First, we figure out the 4 different lengths on this trapezium. PQ we know is 21. RS is 13. Which one is RS? The shortest one. Here. We have 2 more to go. The long side, this one. Where is it? (12 plus 21) equal 33. And finally, the slant side. How do we find the length of the slant side? We go back to 96 cm, which is the parameter of this trapezium. So by subtraction, we can find the length of the slant side. 29. Now we are ready to check whether this parameter is 204 cm. There are 3 slant sides, the green lines. So 29 times 3. We have 3 short length, the blue lines, which is 13. So we have 13 times 3. What else? These two. The purple lines are the long edge here. 33 times 2 because there are only 2 of them. And finally, the red line. What is the length of this red line? Look at the whole length here and the short one here. The whole length is 33 and this is 21. So 33 minus 21 equal 204. And we have reached our target. This confirms that our two answers are correct. So when we check, we don't redo the whole question another time. Instead, we take the answer and work backwards or work towards a target. In this way, we check actively